Navigate to the course page, which contains the items that you would like to hide, then toggle on the Course Edit mode by clicking the switch at the top of the page. To the right of the item that you wish to hide, locate and click the Edit menu. Then, click the Hide option. Hiding an item will remove it from students' view, both in the course and the gradebook if it is a graded activity. Students will be prevented from accessing or completing the hidden resource or activity until you choose to reveal it. If you wish to hide an entire topic full of content from the students, simply select the Hide option from the Edit menu of the applicable topic. When content is hidden, you will see that its title displays a notice stating that it is hidden from your students. As an instructor, you may still access any hidden items as needed without ever revealing them to your students. Should you decide to unhide any hidden item in the course, simply toggle on Edit mode for the page displaying the hidden item. Click the Edit menu to the item's right, and select the Show option to make it available again.